So Redmi has officially announced that it is launching the Redmi Note 11 series in China on the 28th of this month, which means at the time this video goes live, we have just a week left for the launch. As we know, the Redmi Note series is perhaps the most popular smartphone series by Redmi, and earlier this year, Redmi surprised everyone with the launch of Redmi Note 10 series in India, which brought a 120Hz Super AMOLED display at a really affordable price. Now, the Redmi Note 11 series is coming, and just like the previous series, we are expecting an impressive hardware. On its official page on Vivo, Redmi also showed us the design of a Redmi Note 11, and as we can see, the phone has flat sides just like the iPhones and at least 3 cameras on the back. The camera module looks very similar to what we saw on the Redmi Note 10 Pro for China. We can also see the second speaker on the top, alongside which is the sound by JBL text. The phone still has an IR blaster and also a headphone jack, so it is good to see that Redmi is still sticking with all the ports and sensors on its Note series. And while we did not get to see the front of the phone in these official images, Digital Chat Station revealed that there is a flat screen with a hole punch in the middle and a side-facing fingerprint scanner. So that sounds similar to what we saw on the Redmi Note 10 series, where despite the fact that the phones had an AMOLED screen, there was a side-facing fingerprint scanner. Alright, that's all about the design that we got to see so far. But what about the specifications? Another source on Vivo has shared some specifications of the Redmi Note 11 and Redmi Note 11 Pro, but we are not sure whether they are 100% accurate. Still, speaking of those specifications, the Redmi Note 11 has an LCD panel with a 120Hz refresh rate. It has a MediaTek Dimensity 810 SoC, a 50MP camera on the back, and a 16MP camera on the front. The phone also has a big 5000 mAh battery and it supports 33W fast charging. Now before you compare this phone with the Redmi Note 10 that launched in India, I just want to clear that in China there are only 2 phones available under the Note 10 series. These are the Redmi Note 10 5G and the Redmi Note 10 Pro. Now both of these phones are completely different than the Redmi Note 10 and Redmi Note 10 Pro that are available in India. Moreover, the Redmi Note 10 5G that is available in China launched in India as the Poco M3 Pro. And the Redmi Note 10 Pro that is available in China never made it outside the Chinese market. So what I wanted to say is that don't directly make any comparisons between the Indian variants and the upgraded versions of Chinese variants. Anyways, coming to the Redmi Note 11 Pro now, it is said to have a MediaTek Dimensity 920 SoC, and that is quite surprising because the Redmi Note 10 Pro in China had the Dimensity 1100, which is clearly a better SoC than the 920. But it looks like Redmi did this for the purpose of cost cutting because the Redmi Note 11 Pro has a 120Hz OLED, unlike the Redmi Note 10 Pro which had a 120Hz LCD in China. So yeah, while you are getting lower performance than what the predecessor offered, there is still a much better display on the successor. And that's not it. There is also a 108MP camera sensor on this phone as compared to the 64MP camera on the Note 10 Pro. And finally, the Redmi Note 11 Pro has a 5000 mAh battery and it supports 67W fast charging, similar to the Redmi Note 10 Pro. So yeah, these were the leaked specifications of the Redmi Note 11 and Redmi Note 11 Pro for the Chinese market. It is also said that the Redmi Note 11 series is coming with support for 100W fast charging. So if that is the case, then it might only be available for the Pro version. Whatever the case is, we will get to know more about these phones in the coming days since Redmi itself likes to reveal a lot of details of its upcoming phones before the official launch itself. So what do you think of the Redmi Note 11 series? Do let me know via the comments section below, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one.